Transform your event announcements from ordinary to extraordinary with a custom-designed digital invitation, all without spending a dime on fancy software. Today, we're diving into how to create gorgeous digital invitations using the power of WordPress. And best of all, it's completely free. Let's get started by heading over to your WordPress dashboard. First, we need to find the right tools. We'll navigate to Plugins and then click Add New. This is where we'll discover the magic ingredients for our invitations. In the search bar, type Page Builder. We're looking for a user-friendly option that lets us design visually. Elementor is a fantastic and popular choice that offers a free version. Once you find a suitable page builder like Elementor, click Install Now. After installation, you'll see an Activate button. Click that to enable the plugin. Now that our page builder is active, let's create a new page for our invitation. Click on Pages in your sidebar, and then Add New. In the new page editor, you'll find an option to edit with your newly installed page builder, such as Edit with Elementor. Click this to open the visual editor. Welcome to the visual editor. This is where your creativity takes flight. On the left, you have a panel of widgets. Think of these as your design building blocks. We have text boxes for your event details, image widgets for photos or graphics, and button widgets for RSVP links. Let's start with a title. Drag a title widget onto the canvas and type in your event's main heading, like "You're invited." For a touch of elegance, let's add a background. Drag an image widget and place it as a section background. Then upload a stunning image that complements your event's theme. Next, use the text editor widget to add all the crucial details: the date, time, location, and how your guests can RSVP. You can customize the font, size, and color to match your style. For the RSVP, a button widget is perfect. Change the text to RSVP now and link it to your email address or a Google form for easy guest responses. Don't forget to explore the styling options. For each element, you can change font families, adjust colors, and fine-tune spacing to create a cohesive and professional look. Play around with different layouts and elements until you're happy with the result. Once your masterpiece is complete, hit the Publish or Update button. And there you have it. Your beautiful, custom-designed digital invitation is ready to be shared with the world. Save money, impress your guests, and make your event truly memorable by creating your own stunning digital invites with WordPress for free.